Good day. Welcome to Lady Musgrave Road. Medallion Hall Hotel on our left just now. Kaya House, where you can get your marijuana to buy. Legal amounts, of course. Lady Musgrave Avenue on our left. Musgrave Muse. Going by Hopefield Avenue on our left. Upper Musgrave Avenue on our right. This is Lady Musgrave Avenue.
Morning Justice. I buy one from me.
Next time.
Alright. What? You can't buy a bun, give me.
That's a new one for me. I've heard boss, morning me general. Today I'm justice. Interesting. Straight ahead is Seaview Avenue, but we're continuing on Lady Musgrave Road. Coming up on our left, AC Hotels. There is also a BMW dealership over there. And a Starbucks. Going by the dealership now. ATL Autobahn. Spick and Span Dry Cleaners on our left. Going by Lady Musgrave Court, also on our left. Best Buds on our left. Here you can get your plants and flowers here on Lady Musgrave Road. This is the end of Lady Musgrave. I'm just going to turn on to Hope Road and head up back onto Lady Musgrave. So do continue to watch. Making this right turn onto Kensington Crescent. Before long we'll be back onto Lady Musgrave. Please bear with me. But in the meantime, do enjoy the views of these apartment complexes here on Kensington Crescent. And we're back onto Lady Musgrave Road. On our left right now is the South Beach restaurant. I believe they're currently undergoing some renovations, but should reopen soon. Caramel on our right just now. Some construction going on here on our left. Straight ahead is Trafalgar Road. We are still on Lady Musgrave Road. This stall right here, they always have mangoes. No matter the time of year, you can always see mangoes being sold here. Not sure why or how come. I don't know how delicious those mangoes are either. On our left is Argyle Road. Straight ahead for Jamaica House, but we're not heading that way. Orthodontist, dentist, regular dentist, law office on our left just now. Linstone Crescent is on our left just now. Another new construction happening here on our left, right on Gladstone Drive. quick look. Here we have a CPJ store. You can get your wine. There's also a Japanese restaurant called Annex. Look at that. Also here in the courtyard is Crew Bar. Someone popular with younger people. As we pass by TGI on our left, TGI Fridays. We've come to the end of another video. Hope you've enjoyed this one, where we looked at Lady Musgrave Road. Do share your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, take care.